You don't need a sales team to scale to $20,000 a month. In fact, for most solopreneurs, a sales team is just expensive overhead you can't afford yet. But what if you had a system that worked 24/7? I've spent the last few months perfecting what I call the zero-employee lead engine. It's a hidden workflow using Make, OpenAI, and Airtable that finds, vets, and qualifies high-ticket leads while you sleep. No manual searching. No cold DMing for hours. No burnout. I'm not talking about a basic bot that spams people. I'm talking about a sophisticated pipeline that thinks like a seasoned sales rep. In this video, I'm pulling back the curtain. I'll show you exactly how to connect these three tools to build your own autonomous lead machine. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the blueprint to stop chasing clients and start choosing them. Let's dive in. Most people think scaling requires a team. You hire a lead gen specialist, you pay a monthly retainer, then you spend half your day just managing them. Or you do it yourself. You spend 4 hours a day hunting, copying emails, vetting profiles, trying to guess if they actually have the budget for your service. It's a soul-crushing grind. And the worst part, it's inconsistent. 1 week you have 5 discovery calls, the next 3 weeks, total silence. You're stuck in the feast or famine cycle. You can't focus on actually delivering your work because you're too busy playing detective on LinkedIn. You're trading your most valuable asset, your time, for a handful of low-quality leads. If you keep doing this, you aren't building a business. You're just building a high-stress job for yourself. You feel the plateau. You know you can handle more clients, but the manual labor of finding them is the bottleneck. But what if the prospecting happened in the background? No VAs to manage. No manual spreadsheets. Just a steady stream of vetted, high-intent leads hitting your CRM while you sleep. Most people treat lead generation as a numbers game. They blast 1,000 cold emails and pray for a 1% hit rate. That's not a strategy. That's a lottery. The real secret to scaling to $20K a month without a sales team isn't more volume. It's better filtering. I call this the zero-employee lead engine. It's a 3-tool stack that finds, vets, and prepares your leads while you're asleep. Let's build it. Step 1, the brain. We start with Airtable. Forget basic spreadsheets. We need a relational database. Create a base with 4 specific columns: lead name, website URL, pain point, and lead score. This is where your engine stores everything. It's the single source of truth for your entire pipeline. Step 2, the nervous system. This is Make.com. Make is the glue that connects your tools. We're building a scenario that triggers whenever a new lead is added to Airtable. But we aren't just moving data. We're adding intelligence. This is where most people fail. They send the lead straight to an email tool. Big mistake. You need a filter. Step 3, the filter. We connect OpenAI's GPT-4o. We aren't asking it to write an email. We're asking it to act as a world-class sales researcher. The prompt tells OpenAI to scrape the lead's website, identify a specific pain point, and assign a lead score from 1 to 10. If the score is below an 8, the engine kills the lead. If it's an 8 or higher, OpenAI writes a hyper-personalized opening line based on the actual data it found. Now, Make.com sends that refined data, the pain point, the score, and the personalized hook back into Airtable. Look at what just happened. You went from a raw list of URLs to a curated list of high-intent prospects with a custom strategy for each one. No VAs. No manual research. No wasted hours. Just a clean, automated engine delivering gold to your inbox every morning. Now here is the reality. This system doesn't just find names, it vets them. I've used this exact workflow to cut my prospecting time from 20 hours a week to 0. That's the power of a zero-employee engine. You aren't paying salaries, you're paying for API calls. If you want to build this today, I've put the direct links to Make.com and Airtable in the description. Using those links helps support the channel and ensures you're using the right tiers for this automation. But don't just watch this. Implement it. If you want my exact make.com blueprint for this engine, check the link in the description to grab the template. Hit subscribe if you're ready to stop trading your time for leads. Now, let's dive into the final optimization step.